why was I doing the cold showers? Why did I try this to begin with? Cold showers versus ice bath, is there a difference, and what's the difference? And what was my personal result? I'm going to talk about that in this video, in addition to giving you the rules for the giveaway at the end.
We're doing it.
Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Life Coach, and I want to talk to you about ice baths, cold showers, the Wim Hof technique, and also saunas and jjimjilbangs. If you don't know what that is, stick around. Also, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to give away $3,000 worth of prizes, and you're going to have to stick around to find out how to enter, but it's going to be very simple, so don't worry about that. I tried the ice baths and Wim Hof's breathing technique, and also the cold showers and cold baths or cold water techniques, and I want to tell you about them. I did another video already about the breathing technique, the Wim Hof breathing technique, and I have more than one video. Actually, I have a tutorial of actually a walkthrough doing it in front of the camera so that you can do it along with it, and I have a couple videos where I describe my experiences. One of them is a recent one, and it's been doing really well. Thank you for watching, by the way. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. So why was I doing the cold showers? Why did I try this to begin with? Cold showers versus ice bath, is there a difference, and what's the difference? And what was my personal result? I'm going to talk about that in this video, in addition to giving you the rules for the giveaway at the end. What happens to your body when you go into an ice bath or a cold shower? First, let's talk about the difference between cold showers and ice baths. Is there really a difference? The shower water is constantly moving, and it's constantly moving past you. New droplets are hitting you, so it feels a lot more cold. An ice bath, however, you can slowly get in, and if you don't make any waves, if you don't move, your body acclimates to it and you'll feel normal pretty quickly. A cold shower, however, because it's running water, it seems more cold to me. Is there a greater benefit of one to the other? Not really, it's just your preference. Whichever one that you feel more fun doing, whichever one gets you actually taking some action, that's the one that you should do. Whether it be a shower or a bath, I found personally that the ice bath was better, more enjoyable, really good result, and I can do it longer than I could stand doing in a cold shower. So that's just my 2 cents on that. But why was I doing this to begin with? Because I was suffering from chronic health problems, one of them chronic fatigue syndrome. What happens in your body when you get into an ice bath or get into an icy cold shower? This is really important. Your capillaries. What are your capillaries, first of all? If you don't know what that is, it's okay. These are the tiny blood vessels, microscopic blood vessels all over your body. This is how oxygen gets from the air into your lungs, somehow into your body and into your cells. This is also how nutrients get into your cells from the food you eat and from the healthy alkaline tea that you drink. I talk about the capillaries a lot. I have a 12-week transformation program. Check out the description. There's a link at the very bottom to get a hold of me for a free consultation. But that being said, I talk about the capillaries a lot there, but we have to clean these out. We have to keep our cells and our body clean, or we're going to experience pain, inflammation, disease, discomfort, and all the other problems of humanity. These microscopic capillaries are clogged with plaque and artificial substances, and they need to be cleaned out because this is not existing in nature. I mean, let's face it, I'm in an artificial environment right now, recording this on a phone, wearing artificial clothing, there's an artificial fire, and there's a painted brick. So we're not really in nature like we used to be. That's important to remember. This wouldn't really build up in our natural state, but we're so far from our natural state, and most of the time we're proud of how far we are from our natural state. Well, Wim Hof talks about returning to nature, returning to the natural state, and this is one easy, free almost, an important way that you can quickly take control of your health, so keep listening. People experience it differently depending on where the symptoms pop up in their body. So depending on where you're weakest, that's where the toxins are going to attack. That's where you're going to feel the most inflammation and the most pain. And everyone's a little bit different. FDA does not approve anything that I'm talking about in this video. And the good news is scientists are studying Wim Hof and proving this stuff scientifically. Once we clean out the capillaries, once we clean out the cells, you will automatically feel amazing. This is the natural state of good health. This is the natural state that you should be in. So we talked about cold showers versus cold baths. I wanted to mention the sauna because I used to go to the sauna before the lockdown and everything happened. In the Korean sauna, I used to live in Korea for about 6 years, and I went to the Korean sauna a lot. I'm gonna make another video about that, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon because that is part of the giveaway, is watching the next video. I'm gonna post the video soon, don't worry, you'll be able to win. You'll be able to know if you won very soon. The part 2 of this video is going to be about the Korean sauna, about the cold rooms, about the cold baths. There's a super cold bath, there's a freezing shower, there were all kinds of different rooms, there were some culture shocks, and there'll even be some hilarious anecdotes, so definitely tune into that. It's gonna be a really good video. So how are you going to enter the giveaway? Like I said, I'm giving away $3,000 worth of prizes. I'm gonna give you a secret instruction at the end of the next video, and you will need to know the secret word. The secret word is burpees. And you'll know why I'm laughing in the next video, because that's part of a joke. That's part of a joke that I'll tell you in the next video. So you're gonna have to wait till the end to get the second word. So all you have to do is watch my next video about the Korean saunas and comment such and such and burpees, and you can win up to $3,000 in prizes. See you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Let me know your feedback below. I appreciate your feedback, and I appreciate all the new subscribers recently. Seriously, thank you so much. See you soon.